Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add Google account on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on accounts and sync. Now from here, just tap on add account. Now from here, just select Google. Now from here, just enter your password. Now from here, you can create a new account or you can log into your existing account by entering your existing Gmail. Now from here, once you have entered your Gmail, just tap on next. Now from here, just enter your password. Now from here, once you have entered your password, just tap on next. Now from here, just tap on save. Now from here, scroll down and tap on I agree. Now from here, it will take a few seconds to check your info. Now from here, if you tap on Google, you can find the Google account we just entered. Now if you want to delete your Google account, just tap on your Google account. Now from here, tap on more and tap on remove account. Now from here, just select remove account. Now as you can see, this is how you can add your Google account on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.